We're gonna learn about Soffit. So this is called Soffit. It's basically it looks like siding, but it's basically aluminum. It's perforated. And it comes in these giant sheets, and it goes along the edge of your roof here. So if you look at the trusses of the roof, they overhang like about a foot on each side. So you can see we got the side finished on the left. On the right, we don't have it finished on the left. So this is our overhang. And when you look inside where your attic is going, this is a garage, but this also applies to your house. So your attic has these trusses that overhang, and there's a little bit of a gap. Now if you left this gap, birds would fly in and they would live in your attic and they'd nest your attic. But you also don't want to seal the gap, because what happens is your attic is insulated and you want the attic, you want air to cool air to enter the attic and keep the moisture out, so that you don't get mold in your attic, because then the mold will cause the insulation of mold, and the wood that lines the roof under your shingles will rot. So the solution is to put the soffit. So the part on the bottoms that's perforated is called the soffit, and it's held in place by this trim, this white trim, which is called a fascia board. Now, in this case, we've got this vertical board and batten siding that goes on. So if we look at the top of the siding, we've put a steel trim that or aluminum trim that starts one edge of our soffit, and then we have the fascia that's holding the other edge, and then on the bottom of our siding we've got another soffit edge. So this doesn't matter for this video, but basically the first thing you want to do is, it's counterintuitive, because you think, hey, I can just install this as one piece, one long straight piece, but that's not true. You actually install them sideways. So you want to figure out what is the width of your fascia, of your soffit here, and then you cut them to length, and then you just nail them on. So let's go see how that's going. Okay, so here they're installing the soffit and the fascia as they go along. So the first thing you do is install this trim. So the trim goes on the inner side.
Hey? Yeah. Because the soffit is higher than the healing. Is the healing?
No. All our soffit pieces. And nail them in place. And make sure that they're nice and flat.
He's taking videos. It costs extra to take videos.
I'll give you 10 cents. I'll give you half of the ad revenue. Just slide it in.
11 o'clock. Later. Oh, 10 an hour ago.